Hello students, in this video we will discuss numerical 3 on electromagnetic waves. A plane wave propagating through a medium with epsilon r is equal to 8 and mu r is equal to 2 and electric field E is equal to 0.5 e to the power minus of z by 3 sine 10 to the power 8t minus beta z ax volt per meter. Determine beta. Loss tangent, which is tan theta, which is sigma by omega epsilon. Intrinsic impedance, velocity of wave, and magnetic field. So let me start the solution. Alpha is given 1 by 3, which is omega under root of mu epsilon by 2 under root 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square minus 1. So alpha is 1 by 3. It is omega is given 10 to the power 8. Omega is given 10 to the power 8, which is frequency. So this is given 10 to the power 8, and mu can be written as 8 mu naught, and epsilon can be written as 2 epsilon naught divided by 2 and under root 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square minus 1. So it is 1 by 3, 10 to the power 8, and under root of mu naught into epsilon naught. This is 3 into 10 to the power 8 and under root 8 under root of 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square minus 1. Now we are squaring on both the sides. Here 3 and 3 will cancel, and 10 to the power 8 and 10 to the power 8 will cancel. So 1 is equal to 8, and when we will square, then this under root will removed. Then it is under root of 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square minus 1. So 1 by 8 plus 1, it is equal to under root of 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square. So under root of 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square, it is equal to 9 by 8, and from here we can also calculate the value of sigma by omega epsilon after some mathematical calculations, and this is 0.5154, which is also loss tangent. So this is one of our answer. Now beta is omega under root of mu epsilon by 2 under root of 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square plus 1, and omega is 10 to the power 8 mu naught into mu r epsilon naught into epsilon r by 2. Now this value we already calculated. This value is 9 by 8 plus 1. So beta, it is 10 to the power 8 by under root of mu naught into epsilon naught, it is 3 into 10 to the power 8. So this will cancel. So 8 into 2 divided by 2 and 9 by 8 plus 1. So we will calculate. So beta is under root of 17 by 3, and which is 1.374 radian per meter. And we have to calculate intrinsic impedance eta, which is equal to mod eta angle of theta eta. Mod eta is under root of mu by epsilon under root of 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square, and mod eta, it is equal to mu naught into 2, because mu r is given 2, divided by epsilon naught into 8, because epsilon r is equal to 8, divided by 9 by 8. So mod eta, it is equal to under root of mu naught by epsilon naught, it is 120 pi under root of 2 by 9. So this answer is 177.72 ohm. So this is our answer. Another answer, mod eta. And we have to calculate theta eta as well. So theta eta is 1 by 2 tan inverse sigma by omega epsilon. So this is 1 by 2 tan inverse sigma by omega epsilon is 0.5154. From here we can calculate theta eta, which is 13.63 degree. So what is eta? It is 177.72 angle 13.63 degree. Now we have to calculate wave velocity. The formula of wave velocity is omega divided by beta. Omega is 10 to the power 8 divided by beta is 1.374. So this answer is coming 7.278 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. And at last we have to calculate magnetic field. So mod E by mod H, it is equal to mod eta, which is 177.72. From here, mod H, it is 2.81 milliampere per meter, because mod E is given 0.5. So 2.81 e to the power minus of z by 3 sine 10 to the power 8t minus beta z. Beta is 1.374 z minus angle. This angle is theta eta, and this angle is 13.63 degree. Now here we have to calculate what is the component present. So to calculate component, we use this formula: AE cross AH is equal to A beta. AE is given as AX cross AH. AH we have to calculate, and it is equal to AZ. So this answer is AY. So here we will put here AY, and this is our required answer. Thank you for watching the video.